With Jumpseller, you have the possibility to create a whole range of promotions for your online store. In this video, we'll show you how. Before you start creating promotions, you should know that this feature is only available to customers with the Pro plan or higher. In your admin panel, go to Promotions and click Add New Promotion. Here you can start customizing your promotion. Begin by choosing the name of the discount and choosing if you want it to have a coupon code or not. If you do, toggle the Discount with Coupon option and define a name and a usage limit if you wish to, by unchecking the box and setting a usage limit number. By clicking Add Coupon, you can add other coupons to be associated with your discount. Next, you can choose which type of promotion you want. Whichever you choose, it will be influenced by the discount section below, where you can decide the amount in value or percentage you want your discount to be. Also, you can tick the cumulative option so that the discount becomes cumulative with other promotions you might be running. This option doesn't apply to shipping promotions. There are 4 types of promotions you can choose from. Subtotal of a purchase. The discount applies to the order subtotal and the promotion does not show on the product pages. Shipping subtotal. The discount applies to the total value of the order shipment. With this option, you can also choose the countries and regions where it applies. It will only be applied to the shopping cart after choosing an address. The countries and regions available to select are those that you have established when configuring the shipping methods. Price of one or more selected products. The discount will be applied to selected products and will appear on the product page, categories, and searches with a tag that shows the product has a discount. You can choose the categories and products to which the discount will be applied. The minimum or maximum amount depends on the condition type you selected. If you selected EUR and you toggle the minimum amount option, you'll be setting the minimum order subtotal for the promotion to be applied, not including shipping charges or other discounts. If you have, for example, product A and product B, each one will have to separately pass the minimum set value to apply the discount to that product. If you select Sum of Selected Products, the discount will only be applied to if the sum of the selected products of an order is higher than the minimum quantity you defined. If the minimum quantity is 3, the discount will be applied if an order has 2 units of product A and 1 unit of product B. If it's same item, you can set the minimum and maximum amount of the same product to which the promotion will be applied. Buy X and Get Y promotions. The way this discount is applied, if a customer wants to buy product X, he will receive a discount on product Y. You can define which are the products X and the minimum quantity of products X needed to be eligible for the promotion. The count is done based on the combined amount of products X. After that, you can define which are the products Y and the minimum quantity of products Y needed to be able to get the discount. The count is done based on the separate amount of product Y. If either of these criteria isn't filled, the discount won't be applied. Finally, you can choose the percentage or value amount of the discount to be applied to the Y products. You can tick the cumulative option so that the discount is eligible to be accumulated on top of other active cumulative discounts. For any of these types of promotions, you can restrict the type of customers that can access the promotion. Everyone applies to all customers. Not registered. The promotion is visible to all users who don't have a registered account. Logged-in customers. The promotion is visible to all users who have a registered account and that are logged in. Customers without purchases. Applies on first purchase only. The promotion applies to all users without any previous purchases. The promotion is only applied to the first purchase. Customers from selected categories. The promotion applies only if the customer belongs to a category defined in the customer section. Finally, you can add a date limit and a usage limit, in case you haven't opted for the coupon option at the top for when the discount should expire. To find more information about Jumpseller, go to jumpseller.com/support or subscribe to the Jumpseller YouTube channel.